One day, this my married neighbors gonna kill themselves. If you like your gist hot, follow me, because now me we go break the news. Our grandma them generation, you hear things like she married here, she went another place again, married again. So you hear things like she gave birth in Ekulu, then she went to Dianoku, married again, gave birth there, went to here again, gave birth. Not today's reality, where Christianity is bonding people until they kill themselves, guilt tripping you into eternal misery. I mean, if you invited an Alusi to Yorubi to come and reproduce both money and children and make Yorubi prosperous, then you can just as easily return it. After all, when she dies, she's going to be returned to her father's house, and ideally it's a lifetime contract. Said Alusi can also decide she's not feeling your Akajofo skills no more, questioning your authority. Nsobu Dibia, Ida Debensia, and she retrieves her offer and heads back to her father's house. I made a video recently and playfully tagged it about my Sobali leaving me. A friend commented that his brother had to return his own Sobali because Ndi Chiefa did not accept the foreign deity. Igbo Siginalusi move Oma, they go see the wood he or she was carved from. You go invite Pastor May and come sit down and settle your family matter. Pastor Way no sabi in your own family state. Pastor Way no get so. What is your favorite track on Processing My Pain? Hello,